In this video, we will explore how the percentage of completion POC method works using year-by-year breakdown. Imagine you have a contract for $1 million and you have a total estimated cost for this contract is $800,000 and the contract is for 3 years. In this case, we will apply the percentage of completion method because our contract is more than 1 year. We will explain how to calculate the revenue for each year. Let's start by the first year. The information that in the first year we have the total cost incurred is $200,000. That means is 20%. Let's see in the right side where we can see the different calculation. The cost incurred is $200,000 in the first year, which represents 25% from the total planned cost. To get that, we need to divide 200,000 by 800,000 and we get 25%. This is the percentage of completion in our contract because we take in consideration that in this contract, it's a POC contract and our way of estimate the progress is the cost. So when there is a cost, we divide it by the total planned revenue and we get the percentage of completion. Here we get 25% as percentage of completion. Then in order to get the POC or revenue for the period or for this year 1, we need to multiply the contract value, which is 1 million by 25%, and we get the revenue for the first year, which is $250,000. Then we calculate the margin, which is the difference between the revenue, 250, minus the total cost, which is 200,000, and we get $50,000. In the table, you see year 1, we have 200,000, 25% as percentage of completion. The first year revenue generated, which is 250, and the cumulative cost incurred, which is 200,000 for the first year. Now let's move to the second year. We have a total cost incurred in the second year, which is 400,000. Now we need to calculate the cumulative cost incurred. We look for cumulative costs, which is 600,000, which is the addition of 200,000, which was the first year cost, plus the second year cost, which is 400,000, and we get 600,000 as total cost incurred. By dividing 600,000 on the total costs, we get 75%. I will repeat, 75%, which is 600,000 divided by the total estimated cost of 800,000, and we get 75 as percentage of completion for this project. Then we multiply this 75% on 1 million, which is the contract value, and we get the cumulative POC for the company is 750,000. This is the total revenue for year 1 and year 2. This is up to date POC generated. Then we need to calculate the POC for year 2, which is the accumulated POC generated, 750,000 minus 250,000, which is the revenue generated during year 1, and we get the POC for year 2 at the value of 500,000. Then we calculate the margin for year 2, which is 500,000 minus the cost incurred during the year, which is 400,000, and we get 100,000 as gross margin for the company. If you want to calculate the margin so far, we get 50,000 in year 1 plus 100,000 in year 2. In the table, you can see that the cost year 2 costs 400,000. The year 2 POC is 500,000 and the accumulative cost at 600,000. Then let's move to year 3. We got total costs for year 3 is 200,000 with the addition of different costs incurred in the last years. We got total of completion of 100%, which is the total cumulative cost at 800,000, which is 100% as total estimated cost for the project. So the cumulative POC is 1 million multiplied by the percentage of completion of 100, and we get 1 million as total POC for this project. Then we need to make calculation for only year 3 POC, which is 1 million cumulative POC minus the previous period cumulative POC, which was 750,000, and we get the POC for year 3 at the amount 250,000. So here we get the cumulative POC for the company 250 in year 3, and here we get the total revenue in year 3 250 with the addition of different POC generated in the last years. We get 1 million value of our POC. Then margin for year 3, it will be 50,000, which is the difference between 250 minus 200,000 as total cost. If we make addition for all the different margin, year 1, 50,000, year 2, 100,000, and year 3, 50,000, we get a total of 200,000 as gross margin. We go to the planned contract. It's the same value, the same margin, which is 200,000.